Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to create events in TriEvents. So when you first log into your organization, you'll see your organization name, your upcoming events, and a calendar view. So on the calendar view, you can scroll through the months, go forward and back. The blue tiles or the blue dates are dates where you already have an event plan, and the black one is the current date. So let's say I want to create a new event. I will click on create event. The first thing I have to do is add the general information for the event. So title, description, when is the event happening? Where is it happening? When does it start? When does it end? So, so let's say I want to hold my event on the 17th of September on Queen's campus. We'll say it starts at 10:30, ends at 11:30. The next thing you have to do is add a contact email. So this is who should be contacted at checkout if somebody has an issue. They can contact this email and a phone number. The next portion of the event setup is your tickets. So you can add multiple different tiers if you have tickets at different price. So let's say my basic tier is worth $50. Get normal event stuff, and there's 200 tickets available. But I want to add another tier for more slightly more expensive, but they get more things. Say this one's worth $100 and get more cool things with your event. And there's only 10 tickets available for this one. You can add as many tiers as you want, and if you change your mind, you can go back and click the trash can to delete them. So that's your ticket prices. The next thing is you have to decide if bursaries are available for this event. If they are, you want to enable them. And we have two types of bursary requests. You can let the users choose the amount they're requesting or provide a fixed bursary option. If you're providing fixed bursary options, you'll have to enter how much the bursary is worth and a quick description. And then you can add more options for bursaries as well. The last portion of the setup for your event is whether or not there's a to-do list or a checklist that students should complete before the event. So if you want to use this feature, you will click Enable, Add Item. You can add a link or a checkbox. So if, for example, you're going to a place and they have a waiver to fill out, you can add link, add a message, and then you can copy the link. And then you can add a checkbox. So then add as many items as needed. So this is the setup. You have your general information, your different ticket tiers, your bursary options, and then anything that needs to be done prior to the event. When that's all completed, you can click Create Event. You'll be brought back to the dashboard. And if we scroll to the 17th of September, that space is now blue. If I click on it, it'll display all the events that are on September 17th. Right now we just have one. And you can click View Event. So we have the date, the time, the contact information. We have 210 tickets, 200 normal ones, and 10 for the second tier. It also tell you how many have been sold for each tier. So if somebody had come in and bought a ticket, I'd be able to see one sold. I see my bursary options as well. If something was inputted incorrectly, we can click on Edit Event, and we're back to this page. You can edit any information, and you also now have the option to disable ticket sales. So this won't delete your event, but nobody will be able to buy tickets. Once your changes are made, you click Save Changes. If you want to completely delete your event, you can click Delete Event, and it'll disappear. So that is quickly how to create an event in TriEvents.